YouTube, this is Starlight and this is my dog Koa. Today we will be doing just like a funny little peanut butter thing with her and see her cute little face she makes with it. Okay, just scrape it on her teeth. Right there, go, scrape it. She's like, oh, that's good. She's like, okay, let her go. See, how is that, Chloe?
There's more.
Oh wow.
More. You want to know that go?
Let's try it again. Ready?
Stop licking. Oh my gosh.
No.
Okay, ready? No. Open your mouth. Stop licking. No, no. Okay. No. Gosh.
Ready? Steady?
No.
Hey, let's see how fast she'll lick it. Ready? Set, go. 1.
I got it.
After this, let her just lick the spoon and we'll see how fast she can do it.
Okay.
Alright, let her go.
No one else wants to see that.
Alright. Get out of there, catty. Alright, when I say go, just let her lick the spoon and just hold it in front of her face. Okay. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
It's gonna take a while.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Pretty clean.
Yeah, pretty
You
clean.
want the rest? Fine.
Want the rest? And that is Koa with her peanut butter spoon. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's hope she doesn't eat it. See you guys in the next video.